Yes, it's official. Yes, IKEA is opening its very first store in Visayas at Ayala Mall Gatewalk in Mandaue City, Cebu. We are very proud to call this store IKEA Mandaue City in the Cebu province. What a journey we are in.
Gatewalk will offer a fresh and distinctive experience for Cebuano families, local visitors, and international tourists alike.
This is a mall that's designed to make people look up, wander longer, take photos, bring their families, and come back with friends. Today, that sense of wonder takes a very exciting form. We are especially proud to welcome IKEA as the flagship anchor for Ayala Mall's Gatewalk.
It brings the complete IKEA offer into a compact 4,000 square meters format, making the experience more accessible and more convenient to many Cebuanos.
Ayala Mall's Gatewalk is our opportunity to bring to life a truly unique retail destination.
Today marks more than the announcement of a partnership. It is a strong vote of confidence in Mandaue City and in the continued growth of Metro Cebu. The arrival of IKEA will create jobs and provide greater convenience and choices for families across the Visayas.
If you love the furniture that you're sitting on today, you can actually take it home with you. We are so thrilled and happy that IKEA Philippines is finally here in our home turf. Great times ahead.
Daghang salamat. Thank you so much.